Guys, welcome to another unboxing video, and for today's episode we're going to be unboxing this very famous and wanted brand, which is the Jordans. I got the triple white shoes, which released just I think about a week ago. So yeah, I got the size 7. This is the men's 7, so this is about 8.5 to 9 women's. So yeah, so that's the retail price, Australian dollar 150. And then let's get right into it. So we have the paper, and this is what it looks like. It has that 23 there because it's Jordan 23, and also this is what it looks like from the bottom. And on the side, this is the Air Jordan Low. This is what it looks like, and also it came with this so it doesn't get shaped messed up. I'm just gonna remove that so I can try it on later on. And same with this one, it came with this shoe shaper thing. So it is all upper leather and non-leather sole and insole. That's fabric there. I recommend you guys copy it now before it sells out. So yeah, that's all. Thanks guys for watching.